Hello everybody and welcome to Dumm Engineering. I'm Justin Dumm and today I'm joined by my coworker, Josh Stoops, and we're going to talk about panel certifications. So first, Josh, thank you for coming on the show.
Thank you for having me.
And what is a certification?
So a panel certification is documentation provided stating that that panel meets all that organization's requirements.
So what types of organizations are there?
So there's three main ones. There's UL, CUL, CSA, and CE.
Okay. So what are some of the factors that they look at when they're certifying a panel?
So one of the main things is making sure that all those components have the requirements of those organizations. There's also the voltage ratings, the current ratings, the SECRs, wire terminations, and a whole bunch of labeling that needs to be applied to all those panels.
So generally, how long does it take to go through one of those certification processes?
Depending on how big of a project, it could go from anywhere from half a day to maybe a week, depending on how many components and all that certification and the testing requirements.
Well, sounds pretty thorough. So how do you tell if a panel is certified when you see it out in the field?
If you're looking for that certification, typically on the inside of that enclosure door, there'll be a UL sticker or a CSA or CE, and there'll be also fuse replacement charts and all the torque requirements that are required.
So do they have like different ratings for, say, environmental conditions that they can withstand?
There are. So the big one is NEMA, but in the UL world, it is UL types, which also go off of the NEMA ratings, but it's their own type ratings for type 1, type 12, type 4X. There's also specialty ones like 6S, 6R.
Okay. And generally, what offerings do we have at Premier Automation for panels in terms of certification?
So right now we can offer UL and CUL 508A panels. We can also do CSA, and we can build a panel to CE specs. We cannot certify it to CE standards though.
Good to know. Well, Josh, thank you for coming on the show. But before we go, I would like to present you with a certificate for the best guest on Dumm Engineering.
Wow.
This award was presented. Smile for the camera. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We'll see you next time on Dumm Engineering.